my lovely families. How are you all doing? I hope everyone is doing well. It's your girl again, Ekwa Bellissima. On today's recipe, we are coming to prepare fanti with banku. So let's go on with our ingredients. We have habanero pepper. We have 4 of it, but I'm going to blend 2. Our ginger, garlic, tomatoes, onions, red oil, fresh fish, our corn dough for the banku, salt to taste, fennel, rosemary, basil, 1 cube Maggi, and then 1 star Maggi. And then we have fish spices to spice our fish. So let's go on and start with our banku. So I have used water to mix my corn dough. I'm going to put it on fire. My corn dough is on fire. So I'm going to cut my tomatoes, onions, and habanero pepper and blend it. We are coming to cut our tomatoes, habanero pepper, garlic, and ginger. Blend it. This one is not moved. Usually remove this one. Cutting my onion, 1 large onion. This is what I'm using. I'm going to use it to add my tomatoes, habanero pepper. I'm using 2. My garlic, my dried leaves, fennel, basil, and then rosemary. I'm going to add a little bit of water and blend it. Blended my items, my tomatoes, ginger, Let's start by cutting our fish and dividing it into 2. I've already washed it. And this recipe too is normally done by fancy people. But right now, in Africa, Ghana especially, all the tribes prefer eat fancy. It's very delicious. Normally from Cape Coast, Sea Coast. I'm really from the seaside there. Just from so I'm coating it with my fish spice first. Just a little. It's okay. And pour my blended items. Let's pour our blended items. That's how I do my fancy. Other people prefer frying the onion, red oil, everything together with the blended tomatoes. But this one is very quick and simple. everything, and then you add your red oil. Very simple recipe. Very simple recipe. Doesn't waste time at all. Putting my onions on top of it. Putting 2 habanero pepper inside if the pepper I blended is not enough. Then add my 1 Maggi cube. It's a very simple recipe. Then 1 star Maggi cube, 1 star cube. The taste will be super. A little bit of salt. I'm done. Just cover it. You put it on fire. On the fire. Very low heat. This one. You just shake your pot. I'm not going to stir it because of the fresh fish. You just leave it like this for 30 minutes. Then we check if the salt, everything is okay. Then you go. Then my banku is already on fire. So let me stir it a bit. Look at my etzo. Where I come from, in Central Region we call it etzo. This one is etzo. The other tribe call it banku. We call it etzo. So when you hear someone saying etzo, it's this one. This how we prepare our etzo with fancy. You can also use gari. Our fishermen, they normally use gari because this one wastes time. With the gari, they soak it with water, then off they go, because with the fancy, it's very simple recipe. Look at how it is. So we are not going to stir anything. You just shake your pan like this. Then you go cover it. By the time our sauce is ready, our etutu will be ready. Hello, my lovely family. Our fancy and etzo is ready. Have you seen it? Look at how the fancy is. The fish too didn't break. Let's look at it. The salt, everything is in perfect shape. That's how it is. Fancy with etzo. We're all invited here. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, share and comment. Catch up in our next recipe. See you.